We'll take a break from cases to learn the plural forms in Ukrainian, which unfortunately are not as simple as other languages. At the most basic level, plural masculine and feminine nouns end in y or e, depending on if they have a hard or soft ending in singular. A lemon, limon.
Limon.
Lemons, limoni.
Limoni.
For hard consonants, we simply add the letter y. A pepper is perec.
Перець.
This ends in a soft sign, which requires a little bit of explanation. Up until this point, we've only covered words that had clear gendered endings. Consonants are masculine, the vowels a, ya are feminine, and o, e are neuter. Well, there's an exception, and it's this soft sign. Words that end in a soft sign can be masculine or feminine, and you just have to memorize which one they are. For example, perec means pepper, both the spice and the vegetable, and is masculine, but sil is salt, and it's feminine. Soft masculine nouns that end in a soft sign, like the name suggests, replace the soft sign with e. So peppers are perci,
Перці.
which is also one more example of a fleeting vowel. Let's repeat that. A pepper, perec.
Перець.
Peppers, perci.
Перці.
Soft nouns that end in y are the exception. They change to yi. A museum, muzei.
Музей.
Museums, muzei.
Музеї.
With that out of the way, on to feminine, which follows a similar pattern. A car, машина.
Машина.
Cars, машини.
Машини.
Same thing here. Hard singular vowel gets the hard plural vowel. And feminine nouns that end in ya, or a soft sign, change to e. A street, вулиця.
Вулиця.
Streets, вулиці.
Вулиці.
Remember how ya had its own declension in the prepositional case, like в Австралії? Same for plural. The word for a station is станція.
Станція.
Stations, станції.
Станції.
Neuter nouns have their own endings. Hard nouns go from o to a, like the word for window. Вікно,
Вікно.
вікна.
Вікна.
Sometimes nouns change their stress pattern when going from a singular to plural form. Вікно, вікна.
Вікно. Вікна.
And soft changes from e to ya. Море,
Море.
моря.
Моря.
Now, like English, some words just don't change. Печиво is one cookie and печиво is multiple cookies. Same word. Like English, the exceptions for plural just kind of happen and we'll learn them as we go along. It's important to note that these forms are only for the general plural, either as a subject or an object. Dogs are cute. I like cars. I sell phones. I build houses. As soon as you start adding modifying words like 2 dogs, many phones, or few houses, the form changes, and that's a lesson for another time. Cases also have specific suffixes for plural nouns. For example, with tomatoes would be z pomidorami, or on the streets would be na wuliciach. We'll also cover that later, but luckily the direct object case, that is the case where a noun is receiving an action, I buy water, I want a car, I see you, does not change forms for plural. So let's make sure you understand that case completely with a quick exercise. Car, машина.
Машина.
Cars, машини.
Машини.
I want a car. Я хочу машину.
Я хочу машину.
I want cars. Я хочу машини.
Я хочу машини.
Window, вікно.
Вікно.
Windows, вікна.
Вікна.
I see the window. Я бачу вікно.
Я бачу вікно.
I see the windows. Я бачу вікна.
Я бачу вікна.
Lemon, лимон.
Лимон.
Lemons, лимони.
Лимони.
I'm buying a lemon. Я купую лимон.
Я купую лимон.
I buy lemons. Я купую лимони.
Я купую лимони.
Museum, музей.
Музей.
Museums, музеї.
Музеї.
I know the museum. Я знаю музей.
Я знаю музей.
I know the museums. Я знаю музеї.
Я знаю музеї.
Station, станція.
Станція.
Stations, станції.
Станції.
For direct objects, masculine and neuter nouns don't change. And we know that hard feminine nouns go from a to u. For soft feminine nouns, я becomes you. Станція, станцію. I know the station. Я знаю станцію.
Я знаю станцію.
I know the stations. Я знаю станції.
Я знаю станції.
Student, студент.
Студент.
Students, студенти.
Студенти.
I am a student. Я студент.
Я студент.
We are students. Ми студенти.
Ми студенти.
In Ukrainian, some plurals are quite irregular, just like in English, from person to people or child to children. The word for a person is людина.
Людина.
The word for people is люди.
Люди.
A child is дитина.
Дитина.
Children are діти.
Діти.
Do you all have kids? У вас є діти?
У вас є діти?
Brother is брат.
Брат.
Brothers are брати.
Брати.
They are brothers. Вони брати.
Вони брати.
Sister is сестра.
Сестра.
Sisters are сестри.
Сестри.
We are sisters. Ми сестри.
Ми сестри.
A friend is друг.
Друг.
Friends are друзі.
Друзі.
Do you have friends in America? У тебе є друзі в Америці?
У тебе є друзі в Америці?